Falafeliatu ma niwe whikai. This evening we detected another 5 cases of COVID-19 that have arrived into our country. These cases arrived on the flight to Niue on Monday, 21st of March 2022. That was yesterday, as part of a flight of 38 passengers who all tested negative prior to departure. A total of 36 tests has been carried out. 2 children on the flight were not tested beforehand, as both are under the age of 3 and asymptomatic. Of the 5 cases detected, 4 positive cases are active, and 1 case, historical case that has now recovered. The 4 positive cases who have been informed are currently in quarantine in managed isolation MIQ facilities, and while all are asymptomatic, will be monitored closely by the Niue health officials. In total, Niue has now detected 5 positive cases at the border, being 4 active cases and 1 historical case that has now recovered. The 4 positive cases or active cases are double vaccinated and boosted and had returned negative PCR test 72 hours prior to departure, and rats prior to boarding their flight from Auckland, New Zealand. All officials that are deemed to have come in close contact with the case are currently in isolation and will be closely monitored and tested according to Niue's COVID protocols. All other 31 passengers have returned a negative COVID test, but will be monitored and retested on day 3 as per our testing protocols. All passengers following, of course, the isolation instructions. As we announced yesterday, our COVID-19 national alert codes are now updated, and as of tonight, we will be moving to alert level yellow. We will be moved to alert level yellow because we aim to eliminate, in this case, in the managed isolation quarantine MIQ. Alert level yellow means that a case has been detected at the border and in the managed isolation quarantine, and it is contained within the MIQ. And we ask the Niue public at this time to practice and maintain a good personal hygiene, regularly washing your hands and coughing or sneezing into your elbows. And also, if you start to experience any COVID symptoms, stay home and call Niue Full Hospital. Be prepared for changes in our alerts levels and act fast if needed. Also to stock up on PPE and other resources in preparation for alert level changes, and keep up with official health and government information advisories. We ask the government of Niue and the public sector to use your RockSafe, contact tracer, and for people to please log in. It's very important. These and must be displayed in all workplaces and businesses All businesses, facilities, and schools and education providers and workplaces will remain open. And community testing will be made available. Ensure hand sanitizers are accessible to customers, and stock up on PPE and other resources in preparations for alert levels changes. And of course, keep up with official health and government information advisories. I thank you, and whakailahi mahaki.